In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store password. Managing your online store effectively includes keeping your account secure, and updating your password is a critical part of that process. Whether you're updating for security reasons or simply want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you can access various features and settings of your Shopify store. Among these options, find and click on Online Store. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. In this drop-down, you'll want to select Preferences. The Preferences section is where you can manage many aspects of your store, including the password settings. On the Preferences page, scroll down a bit to locate the Shopify store password text field. This field might not always be visible. It will only appear if the password feature is enabled for your store. Once you've found the text field, changing your password is straightforward. Simply click inside the text field and type your new desired password. It's a good idea to ensure that your new password is strong, mixing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A strong password is one of the best ways to protect your store from unauthorized access, so take a moment to think of something unique and secure. After updating your password, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that the new password is activated and your store remains secure. And just like that, you're done. This straightforward process only takes a few moments, but it significantly improves the security of your Shopify store. To recap, navigating to the online store section, accessing preferences, and changing your password in the text field are the essential steps you need to follow. Remember, regularly updating your password not only keeps your account safe, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your business is protected. If you face any trouble accessing the password field or have other questions about managing your Shopify store, consider visiting Shopify's Help Center or reaching out to their support team for further assistance. They offer a wealth of resources that can guide you through various aspects of managing your store. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand how to change your Shopify store password. Stay secure and happy selling!